How to calculate average in Google Sheets. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can calculate the average in your Google Sheets. For that, open up your Google Chrome and then go to the three dots on the top right and then search for Sheets. Tap on it, and then what you need to do is you will need to either work on a blank spreadsheet or then work on your existing project. And once you select it, what you need to do is tap on any of the blank space and then tap on equals and then tap on average. You'll find the average option right here and just select the uh, data of which the average you want. So I'm going to select it all and then hit enter. And there you go. I have found out the average. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.